Manatees, this week we are making optical illusions.
For this project, you'll need a piece of paper, a pencil, a marker of any color, and some colored pencils or crayons if you have them. The first thing you'll need to do is write your initials in bubble letters. Mine are L, N. Make sure you're going all the way from the top of the paper to the bottom. You don't want to leave big gaps. We also want to remember to draw lightly and leave enough space for the bubble part of the letters. So we have our inside ghost letters, and then we're gonna draw that big bubble around them. This is like when we did the Florida project and we wrote Florida in bubble letters. And once I have my bubbles done, I can go back with my eraser and take away that inside ghost letter. The next thing we want to do is take our pencil and draw straight lines across our paper. We're going to leave some gaps, and we are going to skip over the actual letters. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. I start up here, I stop at the letter, I hop over it, and I keep going. If you have a ruler, you can definitely use one to get some super straight lines. Now I'm going to leave about, let's do 3 fingers. We have a 3-finger space between our lines. Remember, we hop over the letter, hop over, 3 fingers. Now we need to draw the curvy lines over the letters. This is what really makes it look 3D. So you can notice here that it's super straight, and then once you touch that line, you're gonna curve it. I can show you here. Curve up. Curve up. Go up, 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 back down. So every line here that goes horizontal side to side, we're gonna go over with marker. We are not going over the outline of our letters, only the lines that are going side to side. All right, now that we have our base lines, we are going to go in between those and add some more, because now we know how this works. Horizontal lines, now curvy lines. Big bump like before, same thing. Awesome. So now go back in with the marker. Same thing. Alrighty guys, so we went over all of the pencil marks that we needed to with our marker. We can put that aside, we're done with that. And now we'll use our colored pencils. So in every row, we're going to use a different colored pencil and we're gonna make it into a pattern. I'm gonna start out with, let's see, dark green. We'll use this one first. So I'm gonna go all the way across. And then, with the same colored pencil, we're gonna look for that pencil mark we did, and we're gonna make it a little bit darker. So I'm gonna press a little bit harder along the edge of my letter. So I'm pressing harder here. And then, I'm gonna press medium here. So when we go back and forth, we're pressing light. When we're doing right here, we do it kind of hard. And then we make a bridge with pressing medium. Soft, medium, hard. If we press too hard here, we won't be able to get a nice medium. So don't go too crazy. So now we have to do it to the other side. So you're gonna do it to the whole parts, all the parts of the letter. So I'm pressing harder here. And then I go back to medium. So it blends in with my soft. And then on the letter, you're gonna press hard by the edges. Here as well. Over like that. Now I'm gonna switch to a different color. I'm gonna go to my lighter green. I'm doing it light. For the whole, oopsies, the whole entire row. Okay, so now we need to do the same thing that we did here. Let's start along the edge right there. I'm gonna press a little bit harder. And then I'm gonna go to medium. So it's all about how hard you're pushing into the paper. All right, we have another line here, so that means we need to go very dark. That means we need to go kind of dark. And then we move on to medium. and it fades into the light. We have to do that to the letters as well. So I'm pressing kind of hard on the sides. It's going to be the same thing for every single row.
When you're doing the dark parts on the inside of your letter, make sure to leave the center of the letter light. So you don't want to go over that at all. You're only working on the edges of the inside of the letter.